Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to change SQL database password. Open Server Management Studio. Connect to your SQL Server instance with administrator privileges. In the Object Explorer, expand the Security folder. Navigate to Security. Expand Logins. Select Database. Right-click on the database and click the Properties. In the Login Properties window, go to the General page. Enter the new password in the Password and Confirm Password fields. Click OK. Password change completed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.